Hi, this question appeared on JEE Advanced 2022 in its second paper, and the question is from the topic matrices. And it is basically a single correct answer question, and it has got some negative marking as well. So it is +3 and -1 basically. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before going through the solution, I would strongly recommend each one of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. So here you are given a matrix M. So this is the matrix M, and you are asked to find out M power 2022. Okay. So generally a conventional way of doing it is first you'll have M, you'll find out M square, you'll find out M cube, and then you'll go for M power 4, M power 5, and from these things you'll try to find out a pattern in each element of the matrix. So this is the very conventional way of doing it, very trivial way of doing it. But in this video what I would like to explain you is a direct method to solve for such kind of powers of matrices. Okay, so here we will not go in this conventional pattern. See, when you go down this route of finding m square, m cube, m power 4, sometimes it might be tricky to see the patterns in the elements of the matrices. See, let's say here you have 5 by 2. Let us say first element in M is 25 by 4. It is just 5 square. And first element of M cube is 125 by 8. So it is 5 by 2 whole cube. So if the values turns out to be something like this, very predictable ones, then you can easily see the pattern. But if the values are not predictable and the pattern is not, very obvious, then you will face a lot of difficulty in solving such kind of questions. And that is where I think this video comes to your help. So I'll give a very direct method of solving such kind of questions. So first step is to find the characteristic equation of this matrix. Find characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? If the lambda is the eigenvalue, determinant of m minus lambda is equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. So m minus lambda I will be 5 by 2 minus lambda, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 minus lambda. And we have to take the determinant of this matrix and set it to 0. Alright, so that will give us 5 minus 2 lambda by 2 into minus 1 minus 2 lambda by 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is same as 5 minus 2 lambda into minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 9 equals to 0. So minus 5 minus 10 lambda plus 2 lambda plus 4 lambda square plus 9 is equals to 0. 4 lambda square minus 8 lambda, alright, plus 4 is equals to 0. This is same as lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 is equals to 0. Correct? So now this is the characteristic equation. So the second step is, when you have the characteristic equation, you can always replace the values of, this holds good for, so this equation also holds good. You can just replace the lambda with the given matrix M. Okay, now this equation also holds good. Now the third step is to use this equation and find out what m to the power 2022 will be. So now here we have m square. So let us see what m cube is. Multiply both sides with m. So that will be 2m square minus m. 2 into, but we know what is m square. M square is 2m minus 1 minus m. So that is 4m minus m minus 2. So that is 3m minus 2. This is m cube. and m power 4. Let us find out m power 4. Now multiply this with m on both sides. So that will be 3m square minus 2m. Again, we know what m square is. M square is 2m minus, so this is I actually. So here we have 1, so we have to replace 1 with I and lambda with m. Alright, so this is I, so this is minus 2i. This is minus 2i. Alright, so 2m minus I minus 2m. So that will be, this is 6m minus 2m, that is 4m minus 3i, m power 4. So here it will be little easy to see the pattern. So first we have 2m minus I, and for m cube we have 3m minus 2i. For m power 4 we have 4m minus 3i. So for m power 2022 we will have 2000. So for m power 4 we got 4m. For m cube we got 3m. For m square we got 2m. So for m power 22 we will get this thing, 2022 m minus, for m power 4 we got 3i. For m cube 2i. So here we will get 2021i. Alright. So now we have this 2022, and what is m? 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 2021, 1001. Alright. So this will be 1011 times 5, 3, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2021, 002021. So let us subtract. Here first term will be 5 times of this. So 5055 minus 2021. So that will be 3024. And this term will be, here it is 0, here it is just 3033. And similarly this is minus 3033. And this is minus 1011 minus 2021. That will be minus 23032. So this is your m power 2022. So you can, like, all you have to do is you have to find the characteristic equation, replace that with m and I, and then try to get a pattern like this. Okay, instead of noticing a pattern for each element in the matrix, for each element in the matrix, you can simply notice the pattern here in the equations. I mean, like, you can get any matrix, m power 4, m power 5, m power 2022, in terms of m and I, which you already have. M is there with you, and I is just identity matrix. All right. So 3034, 3033, 3034, 3033, and minus 3033 and minus 3032. So option A, this is the correct answer. So if you like the solution, if you like the content that I'm making, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such content. And if you have any queries, write up your queries in the comments. Thank you.